guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Onyeka. I'm here to teach you guys on how to apply foundation in a flawless way, to make your foundation look very flawless and attractive, to make it look natural, to make it look, very smooth on your face, because many of you are beginners. You don't know how to apply foundation in the right way. I'm a makeup artist. I'm here to guide you, I'm here to teach you, and I'm here to make you love makeup and look attractive. Thank you.
So the first thing to do is clean your face using a face wipe. Clean the entire face. Second thing is apply your vitamin C serum and massage it into your skin. This will help you have a softer look. Next thing is apply your moisturizer. Moisturizer will make your face smoother and softer and more tender. The next step is your primer. Your primer helps to control the oil on your face to give you that flawless look throughout the day. Next thing is your sweat control. Your sweat control helps control your sweat so you won't have a cakey kind of look. Apply it to the places where you sweat a lot. Next step is apply your foundation. Make sure you apply a setting spray to make your foundation blend properly into your skin. While you blend, you can use a beauty blender or you can use a foundation brush. Make sure you cover every aspect of your face. Don't jump any step. Make sure you blend one by one after the other. This is the final look. Thank you, and subscribe to my channel.